Um, on my way down here, I was trying to figure out what to say before y'all. And I started to pray, just like Maureen actually led in prayer before. And I got the answer when I looked at my wrist. The letters WWJD. What would Jesus do? And I have to sit before you guys and apologize to each and every one of you, including the mayor, if I said anything to offend. I didn't mean it by any means. I'm just trying to act on behalf of the taxpayers. Mayor, I never questioned by any means the way you work the city, the way you run the city. I think you do a very good job. You've done a very good job for years. You've done a lot of great things in the city, but when it boils down to it, it boils down to the taxes and the budget. It has nothing to do with you or anyone else on this board, on this panel. I have no vendetta against each and every one of you, none. Okay? So I sat there and thought, what would Jesus do? And I don't understand how a budget can be passed if the people of the city can't afford it. Because if there's one person that loses their home because of this tax raise, it's not a good thing. On paper, the mayor makes 80 grand. The one beneath the city's clerk makes 77 grand. That's almost $60,000 between two people within this building. And that's not including health or retirement. And I know the mayor has a real estate company too. So it's easy for him to sit there and say people should take furloughs when he's not acting fairly himself. I think he makes over 6 figures. So for me to sit here and say, you know, I just am against the tax raise. I mean, it may fall on deaf ears. It is what it is. But all I have to say is God's watching each and every one of you with your decisions. And if there's greed, greed is very sinful. It's a very sinful thing. So act in behalf of this city and the best interest of the city when you make your decision. And that's all I have to say about that issue. And may I present the council something about that may help the budget? Can I do that or not?
If it's budget related, sure.
It is. It's called it's a preferred tax or preferred parking for the city of the residents of the city. Preferred parking. I know, pretty sure that you probably came across people that are kind of anal about their parking spot in front of their house, or neighbors that are like that. Why doesn't the city offer, residents and taxpayers of the city get offered their space in front of their house for an annual fee? It would create revenue or for the budget. I'm just saying maybe that can help, so maybe the taxes won't be as bad. And that's all I have to say. Thank you for your time. God bless you.